Hi friends, this is English Communication Skills solved online assignment for BA Bsc Bcom first semester, page July 2023. Let us start our assignment. Question number 1. P and B are examples of consonants. Options are bilabial consonants, dental consonants, labiodental consonants, none of these. And the right answer is bilabial consonants. Question number 2. Identify the nasal sound from the following words: shoot, brush, morning, ditch. And its right answer is morning. There are dash diphthongs in English: 10, 24, 12, 8. And the right answer is 8. Question number 4. Pure vowel sounds are also called diphthongs, monophthongs, glides, cardinals, and its right answer is monophthongs. Question number 5. IPA in phonetics stands for International Phone Association, Indian Propyl Alcohol, Inflation Protected Annuity, International Phonetics Alphabet. And its right answer is International Phonetic Alphabet. Question number 6. The right phonetic transcription of the word meticulous is, its right answer is part B. Question number 7. There are dash sounds in English: 26, 12, 44, 8. And its right answer is 44. There are 44 sounds in English. Question number 8. In phonetics, the rise and fall of the voice in speaking is called intonation, syllable, pitch, utterance. And its right answer is intonation. Question number 9. Compliment is an expression of admiration, respect, appreciation, all the above. And its right answer is all the above. Question number 10. Formal talk happens in offices, academic sphere, professional spaces, all the above. Its right answer is all the above. Question number 11. Dash is a common phrase used for expressing gratitude: sorry, thank you, see you later, my pleasure. Thank you is a common phrase used for expressing gratitude. Question number 12. Pardon is an expression to draw someone's dash or politely asks them to repeat: attention, ire, anger, happiness. Pardon is an expression to draw someone's attention or politely asks them to repeat. So its right answer is attention. Question number 13. Identify the glottal sound from the following words: new, bat, hat, kick. Its right answer is hat. Question number 14. Consonants are the sounds in which there is partial or complete dash in the flow of air: obstruction, free flow, open, close. There is partial or complete obstruction in the flow of air. Question number 15. Who proposed the cardinal vowel system? James Webb, Max Muller, Daniel Jones, Samuel Johnson. And its right answer is Daniel Jones. Question number 16. The concept of IPA was proposed by Daniel Jones, Otto Jespersen, Henry Sweet, Passy. Its right answer is Otto Jespersen. Question number 17. Adam's apple, a part in the neck region, is also known as larynx, palate, pharynx, ridge. And its right answer is larynx. Adam's apple is also known as larynx. Question number 18. A dash is a single unbroken vowel sound within a spoken word: syllabus, stress, pitch, syllable. Its right answer is syllable. Question number 19. Leave taking can be of two types: dash and dash. Its right answer is formal and informal. Question number 20. A statement of action that appreciates somebody is criticism, compliment, ridicule, request. Its right answer is compliment. Question number 21. Being courteous leaves a dash impact on our mind and body. Positive, negative, right, wrong. Its right answer is positive. Advice is an dash and advice is an dash. Its right answer is advice is an opinion and advice is an counsel. Question number 23. You dash wear seat belts when driving. You must wear seat belts when driving. Question number 24. Epistimophile means one who loves books, studies, knowledge, food. Epistimophile means one who loves knowledge. Question number 25. Learning entails face-to-face learning, seeking directions, being attentive to instructions, all of the above. Its right answer is all of the above. 26. Question number 26. A movement of the body to show an idea, attitude or direction is gesture, posture, body, tongue. Its right answer is gesture. Question number 27. Dash I ask you for a favor. Its right answer is can I ask you for a favor? Question number 28. Dash are the beginning points of interaction among people. Greetings, arguments, suggestions, solutions. Greetings are the beginning points of interaction among people. Question number 29. And dash is the act of declaring one's regret, remorse or sorrow. Apology, compliment, gratefulness, mindfulness. Its right answer is apology. Question number 30, the last one. The study of the patterns of sounds in a language and across languages is called phonology, phonetics, syntax, semantics. Its right answer is phonology. Thank you.